Have you ever seen rolls of sod like this and wondered where the heck do they come from? Well, I'm with Tom Darmon, and you're with Oregon Turf and Tree Farms. And you know, they're a local grower of sod. So when did your family get into this?
We've got into sod probably in the early 70s, late 60s.
But before that, you were seed farmers. You were grass seed farmers.
Grass seed farmers, we were.
And then how did the sod start? Because it's pretty nice. This is instant. I mean, we've all put lawns in, or many of us have put lawns in with seed, and it takes a little bit of time, but man, sod is the next day. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting. Sod came to the West Coast through Hollywood. There was sod on the East Coast, and the grass seed here, of course. It was always a luxury, and Hollywood saw it, and they wanted it for some of the sets, the movie sets, and talked to a produce farmer in Southern California to grow on sod, a couple acres. And then it turned into CalTurf, a big company.
And so your family kind of saw that happening. It's like, well, maybe we should try that too.
Yeah, we were selling grass seed, always looking to diversify a little bit. So we put a few acres of sod in, and it's grown. People want instant landscape.
Sure, sure. And so you're third generation. Mm-hmm. And then, so you have, how many acres do you have in sod here?
We've got about 500 acres in sod. That varies from time to time.
Wow, wow. And then the other part is the trees.
Shade
so that's
trees.
Another story for another time.
Right.
So how long does it take? Like from when you plant it and then to harvest and...
So we try to fall plant. So if we fall plant in early October, late September, we'll have sod ready as soon as late May.
Wow.
May, June.
Wow, that
for the
is
summer
cool.
demand.
Ah, that is nice. And then tell us a little bit about these different kinds, because you have 3 different kinds of turf here.
Yeah, this is tall fescue. This is a little more drought tolerant. It stands up to traffic pretty well. It's got a great root system. It comes back quickly. This is TWGCA certified, Turfgrass Water Conservation Alliance certified. So it's 30% more drought tolerant than its peers. This is our prettier ryegrass. It's a little finer textured. It's kind of the choice if you've got small kids. It's a good choice for pets.
Softer.
It's a little, softer, finer textured. That's kind of the norm. This is what's around golf courses and parks right now.
All right.
And then we've got a sand-based sod. So this is grown on imported sand from the dredged Columbia River sand. We brought in about 15,000 acres, 15,000 tons, and we're growing on 8 acres. We brought in about a 12-inch profile, and it's mainly for sports fields, golf courses.
Drains well.
It drains well,
Takes
right?
the abuse.
Yeah, exactly.
That is cool. And so, you know, I think we all love sod, but we really love to see the process of it, of the harvest. So we're going to go over and actually see the harvester out in the field. So let's go.
Let's go.
Tom, this is just too fascinating to see this sod harvester, a massive machine. So about how much can they do in an hour? Is that how you time it?
Yeah, the sod harvester can harvest up to 10,000 square feet in an hour under ideal conditions. Today's not ideal, obviously.
Right, right. But so it cuts it, it rolls it, and it stacks it on a pallet and then drops it.
Yes.
That is just amazing. And so I can call your office and come and pick up some sod or have it delivered, but I can't really install it that day.
Right, right. We recommend removing your existing lawn, rototilling 2 or 3 inches, adding some amendment. A 3-way amendment works well, kind of a 3-way soil, and then tilling that in, retruing the surface, leveling it, and then the sod would go in.
And then are there tips? You have like a pamphlet or on your website so you can have some extra help there?
We do. OregonLawn.com. We've got on our website, OregonLawn.com. We've got quite a bit of information on that site.
And then how do we get in touch with it? How do we order?
Call our office direct at 503-981-TURF, or go to OregonLawn.com.
And you can even come out here to pick it up. I mean, they're right near Hubbard, so right in our area. So really, if you have any questions, please go to GardenTime.tv and we can click you over to their website and get all that information and really have an instant lawn as soon as possible. Thanks so much. It's just fascinating.
Yeah, thanks.